Hello children, I welcome back once again in today's class. Today we are going to see one of the major discourses for 10 marks, that is report writing. Students, don't get confused. Report writing is different from news report writing. A report is different from news report. Okay, I will not let you be in confusion. Today I will tell you only report writing, and in other period, some other period, let us see news report writing. ఇప్పుడే ఖాళీ మేము report writing చూద్దాం. Ready students? Right, very good. Let us see report writing. Okay, let me know when we write report, what is the use of report, need of report. Report ఎందుకు రాయాలి, ఎప్పుడు రాయాలి? Okay. First thing here, in your schools, colleges, any assembly or anywhere, different programs are conducted. Different programs are conducted, right? Then you will be asked to write a short report on the program conducted on that day. Then how to write it? You are asked to write a short report on it. Ela rayali mari. Just I have written something on the board. Which answers of your questions? 3 questions here. In a report writing, 3 questions. Okay. First question, what is the report about? What is first question here? What is the report about? Second question, when did it hold? And third question, where did it hold? Right, hold, held, held, V1, V2, V3. Right students, what I told you, then how to start a report writing. ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. First you have to tell what about the program is or report is. This is a short report on Children's Day celebrations. Okay, what about the report is? First రాయండి by making paragraph. And report should be in at least 2 paragraphs. First paragraph lo 3 questions answer, and next paragraph lo you can write 1 or 2 paragraphs next, no problem. You can write how the process or program was conducted. First paragraph em rastaru, what is the program about? This is a short report about Children's Day celebrations. Eppudu jarigindi, next question, when did it hold? Yes, which held on 14th November 2019. Right. Where did it happen, or where was it conducted? In our school campus, which held on November 14th 2019 in our school campus. Or write your name of the school. Okay students, right. And the first paragraph ilage undali, answer of 3 questions. What is the report about? Second, when did it happen? Third, where did it happen? 3. Okay. Now you are writing next paragraph in detail, thoroughly, how the program was conducted. Okay, writes here. We, the children and staff members, we, the children and staff of our school, gathered in our school campus as usual at 8:30 AM. అది ఆ డే ఎట్లా స్టార్ట్ అయింది? ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, after the assembly we were invited class-wise by our principal in a big hall where stage was decorated brightly. నేను నా స్కూల్ గురించి ఆలోచించి రాస్తున్నా. You write about your school, how the program was conducted. Right. Then you have to continue. The director was the chief guest of this day. He delivered an inspiring speech to encourage the students to mold in a proper citizen for future India. Means he delivered a speech. Again, a few teachers also gave their valuable speech on this occasion. They graced the occasion to inspire every child present over there. Right. After that, some cultural programs were conducted. After cultural programs were over, we were provided snacks, and after a break, boys and girl students, they performed dances, and they to express their views, opinions on the stage towards that day. Around 12:30, we were provided with lunch by the management, which was very delicious, and we just enjoyed the lunch a lot. After that, as the strength of school is very much more students, every child on that day from LKG to 10th class were given some gifts and sweets. Some gifts and sweets. అది మీరు రాయండి. ఓకే, లాస్ట్కి ఏం జరిగింది? How the program came to an end, you have to write it. Yes, you have to write these all things. Just I dotted here, you have to write there. Don't keep the blank. ఈ మీరు అక్కడ రాయాలి. Okay, right. Then how to write ending, summing up, conclusion of the report. ఒకసారి చెప్తా వినండి. How to write the conclusion? After the programs or cultural activities, all the children were given gifts and sweets. And our team leader expressed vote of thanks before the program is completed. Okay, or at last you can write at last our team leader expressed a vote of thanks, and thus our program come to an end by 4:30, and we dispersed okay, from the school campus. Right, students? In this we have to write a report writing the discourse. I hope you understood it. Okay? And see, I have expressed my ideas, the imaginary ideas, just guessing. మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ హ్యాపన్ బిఫోర్ యూ ఇన్ యువర్ స్కూల్ ఆర్ ఇన్ కాలేజ్ ఆర్ క్యాంపస్. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, I wrote about Children's Day. You write about Teachers' Day. Take any topic. Teachers' Day celebrations, Independence Day celebrations, Republic Day celebrations, Mother's Day celebrations, whatever may be. Okay. And Harit Haram program celebrations, weekends. You decide select any topic and you practice with your own the report in this way and get it checked by your friends or relatives or your teachers or brothers or sisters. Okay students, I hope you understood it. Okay, let us have a break now. Let us see in the next period. Till that, have a nice day.